I was a middle school English teacher for 14 years. I was in the classroom when chalkboards were leaving and whiteboards were coming in, and I was excited. I was like, yes, finally some tools, we can use. But then came the problems. There were stained boards, they were dirty, the eraser was never there, the markers were stinky and smelly, my kids with asthma would get sick, and I would get headaches. I was like, I'd had enough. And I went out and first I created an eraser cap for the ends of the dry erase marker. So I was tired of using my fingers and having black hands. And then I went out and I found the best inks and the best components, and I put an eraser on the end of the marker and made a kid-friendly dry erase marker because it wasn't there. It wasn't meant to be in the classroom. Dry erase was not a product for the classroom. It was made for offices. So after that, I still needed more tools. I needed a quick formative assessment tool. I put a handle on the end of the whiteboard, and I gave one to every student, so that they could all have an answer at one time. It made a difference. I made them colorful, red paddles answer, green paddles answer. Everybody was engaged and participating, test scores went up, and I started seeing this engaging, interactive classroom that I'd never seen before, and it excited me. And it solved a lot of my problems. So I went out there and created a solution for teachers and students because we deserved better. We put money out of our own pockets, and we needed a product that was going to be there, that made a difference and was going to last. And that's why I did what I did. And that's KleenSlate.
KleenSlate is an awesome company that has a whole entire dry erase board system that works wonders in my classroom. There is the dry erase board, and there's a clean side right here that has nothing on it. On the back, there's this really cool pocket that you can slide in whatever you want, and the kids can write on it without having to reprint things over and over every single year.
The kids loved that it had a sturdy handle so that they could hold on to their boards. We used them during my small group instructional time, and the kids really liked that they could use the handle to hold their board to their chest before they revealed what their answer was for small group work.
These boards came in so handy last year. My kids were always so excited when I told them to go get their KleenSlates. Their favorite part is that one side is a whiteboard, the other side there is a clear plastic where you can take out and put in whatever you need.
My students really enjoy using it for anything and everything. If we are sitting on the floor together, there's always at least one hand in the air asking, Mrs. Rapp, are we using the dry erase boards today? I also really love that they have this huge microfiber cloth that reaches across the entire board. And it's just hooked on there with a little ring clip.
Really durable. They held up super well. It was a high demand product in my class. We used them during whole group instruction and small group, and the kids would specifically request to use the KleenSlate boards and markers.
So I would put in a map, or I would put in some math problems, and when we did handwriting, this is included, so we would practice our handwriting, and they loved it.
Little clip right here for the dry erase marker, which is great because how many times have you heard as a teacher, I can't find my dry erase marker, I don't know where it is. It's right here on your board, my friend.
Super easy to store. I would have the kids take these, put them in their cubbies on the hook, and they were always ready to go. So if you haven't checked out KleenSlate, go do it now. Easy to store, easy to clean. It must have in your classroom.
You will love them, your kids will love them, they will withstand the test of time, and it's a great product made by teachers for teachers, so go check it out.
Whether you just buy the dry erase markers or the whole entire clipboard system here, it's totally worth it. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!